Hi class, this is Jasmine Lair and this is my site as of milestone 5 task 2. I went in and I added the SEO optimization here on the page properties. For the description, I basically just mimicked what was in the sample. I just put in my name and my location. As far as keywords, I was able to come up with quite a long list of words and phrases after doing some reading on what was best for that. The HTML, I wasn't sure what to put in. That part really confuses me still, and I just copied what was in the sample. I'm pretty sure that's not right, but I know where to put it once I figure out what is supposed to go in there. I was able to look at my site on my husband's computer, and all of my widgets work. Just for some reason they don't work on my computer. I'm not sure what that is, something glitchy, but I'm really happy with the layout here. I didn't add any custom areas here to my contact area. I can't really see the value in adding a lot of extra information. A name and an email is pretty much all you need to get a hold of somebody, and you can get further information from there. At first I wasn't sure why we were putting in the maps, but after doing some reading I can see that really helps with your optimization. I can see how having your address in there would bring you up on a local search and could possibly lead to more business leads. So eventually I will put in my real address in there once the site goes live. I think having a solid, well-designed, well-working site is a great marketing tool. Being an independent designer, or even just going on a job search, having a place to direct people to see your work is really powerful. And I'm excited to have this started and to be able to build this site and to make it better as I learn as a designer.